welcome to Pastrami Night, courtesy of Stuart Spector. Our friends Charlie and Michelle are here to share in the joy. Louise is filming. I give you the unveiling of Katz's New York City Deli Pastrami.
Ooh, wow. Oh my God.
Look at that, baby.
Yahoo! Oh, wow.
All right, and then in the oven, the knishes are warming. And I'll show you what we're gonna have to drink. A little chocolate syrup. It's actually a You Bet clone that I made myself. My preference is 2%. About like that. Then we get a spoon. Give it such a nice stir to blend the ingredients. And down the spoon, add the salsa. And that is a chocolate egg cream. See you, Stewie.